Cooking can be a joy when you have the right tools, and this All-Clad Essentials Hard Anodized Nonstick Saucepan set is designed to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a home cook or an aspiring chef, this 4-piece cookware set has everything you need for everyday cooking, offering versatility, durability, and an elegant design that makes cooking and serving a breeze. This review will walk you through every detail of this exceptional saucepan set, answering your questions and helping you make an informed purchase decision. Unpacking the essentials, what's in the box? The All-Clad Essentials Hard Anodized Nonstick Saucepan set includes 1. 2.5 quart saucepan with lid, 2. 4 quart saucepan with lid. These saucepans are perfect for preparing everything from grains and rice to small batches of sauces and soups. The high, straight sides of the pans are designed to hold heat and minimize evaporation, making them ideal for liquid-based recipes. Key features that make it stand out. Number 1. High-performance non-stick coating. The All-Clad Essentials series features a PFOA-free non-stick coating, ensuring that food slides right off the surface without sticking. This not only makes cooking more enjoyable, but also simplifies cleanup. The non-stick coating is durable, long-lasting, and allows you to cook with less oil or fat, promoting healthier meals. Number 2. Durable heavy-gauge aluminum construction. Crafted from heavy-gauge anodized aluminum, these saucepans provide consistent heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring even cooking every time. Whether you're simmering sauces or boiling pasta, these pans deliver professional-grade performance. Number 3. Space-saving design. One of the standout features is the nested design, allowing you to stack the pans neatly without scratching the surface. This is a game-changer for kitchens with limited storage space, keeping your cabinets organized and clutter-free. Number 4. Comfort and convenience. The saucepans are equipped with double-riveted stainless steel handles which are permanently secured for safety and comfort. The ergonomic design provides a secure grip even when handling heavy dishes. Capacity markings on the pans add an extra layer of convenience, helping you measure ingredients with ease. Number 5. Versatility in the kitchen. The saucepans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven. However, they are not compatible with induction cooktops, so keep this in mind if you use induction cooking. Number 6. Easy maintenance. To preserve the non-stick coating, hand washing is recommended. The durable surface ensures long-lasting performance, and the cookware comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Performance. Cooking made easy. Whether you're whipping up a creamy bechamel sauce, simmering a flavorful broth, or boiling grains for a side dish, these saucepans deliver consistent and reliable performance. The non-stick surface ensures that even sticky foods like caramel and cheese sauces clean up effortlessly. Plus, the high sides reduce splatter, keeping your kitchen clean while you cook. The transparent glass lids allow you to monitor your food without losing heat or moisture, ensuring optimal results every time. What makes All-Clad different? Heritage of excellence. All-Clad has a long-standing reputation for producing premium cookware. Their commitment to quality craftsmanship is evident in the thoughtful design and performance of this saucepan set. Designed for everyday use. Unlike many other cookware sets that prioritize aesthetics over functionality, the All-Clad Essentials series is built for practical, everyday cooking. The space-saving nested design, durable construction, and versatile performance make this set a staple for any kitchen. Eco-friendly and safe. The PFOA-free non-stick coating is a safer alternative to traditional non-stick surfaces, ensuring that you're not exposed to harmful chemicals while cooking. Additionally, the use of anodized aluminum promotes energy efficiency by heating up quickly and evenly. Conclusion: why you should buy this set. This All-Clad Essentials Hard Anodized Nonstick Saucepan set offers exceptional value, combining high-quality construction with user-friendly features. Its versatile performance, space-saving design, and durable non-stick coating make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these saucepans will enhance your cooking experience, making everyday meals easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Invest in a cookware set that will last for years and deliver professional results every time you step into the kitchen. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to order your All-Clad Essentials saucepan set and take your cooking to the next level. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.